Now we are going to see the topic De Morgan's theorem in digital electronics. De Morgan's theorems are basically two sets of laws developed from the Boolean expressions and or not using two input variables A and B. These two theorems allow the input variables to be negated and converted from one form of a Boolean function into an opposite form. There are two De Morgan's theorems. The first theorem proves that when two input variables are ANDed or negated, they are equivalent to the OR of the complements of the individual variables. Thus, the equivalent of the NAND function and is a negative OR function. The theorem can be expressed as A B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. We can draw the circuit like this. First we have to draw the AND gate, two inputs AB, AND gate AB, and after that one NOT gate, so A B bar. This is equivalent to, first we have to take the input A, that is NOT gate A bar, and after that we have to take the B, there we have to draw one NOT gate, so it is B bar, that both are OR gate, so A bar plus B bar. So A B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Now we can write the truth table for it. If you take two inputs A, B as 0, 0, AB is equal to 0, AB bar is 1. Like that, 0, 1 means AB 0, AB bar 1. 1, 0 means AB 0 and AB bar 1. 1, 1 means AB 1 and AB bar is 0. Like that, for the right hand side, A bar plus B bar. So first we have to find A bar and then we can find B bar. After that, by adding A bar plus B bar, so 0 bar means 1, like that B bar 0 bar is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 is 1. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. This is the truth table for the first theorem. So summarize the De Morgan's first theorem. We can say, simplify as, the complement of a product of variables is equal to the sum of the complemented variables, which is nothing but A B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Applying De Morgan's first theorem to gates means we can draw the gate like this, NAND gate, and the resultant is negative OR gate. The truth table is like this. If two inputs are 0 and any one input is 1 means the output is 1. Both the inputs are 1 means the output is 0. The next one, second theorem. Second theorem is, the complement of a sum of variables is equal to the product of the complemented variables. That is, A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. Here, while proving this, first we have to write A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, which bar is equal to 1. Like that, for right hand side, A bar into B bar. So 0 bar into 0 bar means 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Like that, we can substitute for A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. That also A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, bar equal to 0. Like that, A bar dot B bar means 0 bar into 1 bar, that is 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Like then we can simplify it for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. There also left hand side and right hand side both are equal as 0. Like that, then A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. For that left hand side, A plus B bar is equal to 1 plus 1 bar, which is equal to 1 bar, and the answer is 0. Like that, A bar into B bar, 1 bar into 1 bar, which is also 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So left hand side and right hand side are same. We can draw the circuit diagram like this and we can write the truth table. Two inputs are 0 means the output is 1. If any one input is 1 or both the inputs are 1 means the outputs are 0. This is for left hand side and also right hand side, that is A plus B bar as well as for A bar into B bar. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So by summarizing the De Morgan's second theorem, we can write like this: the complement of a sum of variables is equal to the product of the complemented variables. A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So we can draw the circuit diagram like this: NOR gate, and it is a negated AND gate. And the truth table we can write like this: two inputs 0, 0 means output is 1, and if any one input is 1 and both the inputs are 1 means the output is 0. So the de Morgan's two theorems are a b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar, and another theorem is a plus b bar is equal to a bar into b bar. We can draw the circuit diagram like this. First theorem, an AND gate is equivalent to an inversion followed by an OR gate. Like that for the second theorem, an OR gate is equivalent to an inversion followed by an AND gate. So the applications of De Morgan's theorem, it is useful in the implementation of the basic gate operation with alternative gates, particularly with NAND and NOR gates, which are readily available in IC form. Thank you.